Alright, well now that we've seen this one run, let's do a cold start on this thing. This thing is a cold-blooded beast, and it does not like to start. We have a 5 or 6 gallon, yes, 6.3 US gallons. We're gonna open up this little screw. We're gonna turn on the spark and fuel pump. Then after that, we're gonna take this wire right here. This is the starter wire because I have to hook up that switch still. Let's see here. I'm gonna apply the choke. Forget which way it is. I think it's this way. Let's see how it does it. Hear the cold, you can hear how cold it is. It's cold today. Last night it was 14 degrees at 8 o'clock, so it probably got down to 10. And I haven't fired this thing up in a while. Usually it's not that easy to start. I guess it's all the new carburetor and fuel pump that I put on it. Fuel pump that I put on it. Yeah, look at the steam now. The light's working perfectly. Just let it warm up here a minute, and yeah, that's the cold start on it.